Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a pig. Let's start off by drawing the head with a gentle S shape like so that turns down at the end to the front of the snout. Underneath, draw a small, slightly curved V shape for the mouth. At the top, draw a curved leaf shape for one ear and another over here for the other ear. Then, continue the line from the head on the other side of the ear, going all the way out here and rounding down for the back. At the mouth, draw a slightly bending line coming down for the chin. And for the front leg, a super gentle S shape coming down, a short flat bottom for the hoof, and a line coming back up to the body like so. Copy that shape slightly to the left for the other front leg. Then, continue the line from the chin on the other side of the leg for its belly. The hind leg is a bit more complicated, so let's break it down. A gentle C shape for the thighs, a line coming down for the foot, a flat bottom for the hoof, a line coming back and up to the right, and a curve connecting back to this end like so. Like the front, copy the shape just to the left for the other hind leg. Then, add a swirly tail on the back. Add a dot here for an eye, and two short lines at the front of the snout for the nostrils. And now you've got a pig. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.